Hello?
Hey,
Oh, yeah. Have you started studying?
अरे chill यार. Who will study? Exams got postponed, right?
Yes, you're absolutely right. Yes.
Yeah, seriously chill. जब exams होंगे, अगर होंगे, तब हम पढ़ लेंगे, okay?
You're absolutely right. That's the best thing. Even I believe that. Okay. Bye.
Bye. Hey.
Right. Wow. You're enjoying like anything.
What is this? क्या हुआ?
Exams are in just 1 week.
Oh.
What? Oh, you're not afraid? You've got the news. Only 1 week is left. Only 7 days. Are you not afraid?
10 रिविजन्स हो गए, ढन्नी की क्या बात है? वो क्या है ना यार, अब हम कर भी क्या सकते हैं ना, इसलिए जो मैंने पहले पढ़ा था सबसे पहले वो लिख के कुछ आ जाऊंगी, पास होंगी तो बस.
I wasted the whole time. I was enjoying. How much did you get?
98%.
What? 98%? When did you study? When did you study? When I gave you a call, you said you're enjoying, no? As a friend, I believed you. I'm also enjoying. I was also enjoying.
अरे यार मुझे जो भी पता वो लिखा मैंने, एक्स्ट्रा कुछ नहीं पढ़ा मैंने. ओके मैं चलती हूँ, बाय.
Bye, yeah. Bye. All right, students. So you have seen two scenarios. One student who was very lazy, enjoying the time and wasting time. One more person, as you think your friends or any of your close friends, they say, I am not studying, I am not doing anything. Remember, students, a person or a student who has known the value of time, they will never waste. You have seen both the scenarios, the person who's got influenced by the friend and the friend who knows the value of time and the way he or she has utilized. Ultimately, what happened? You've got the report card, you've got your final result, and tears were in the first person's eyes. Who was the reason? Who took that decision of wasting time? Yes, now CBSE has postponed the examination dates. I know, as educators, we know our responsibility and we are working hard and hard and hard. In 24 hours, we are balancing between educating the students, we are balancing between giving quality education, we are balancing between reaching you with beautiful and quality content. We are always there at your service, students. So what should you do? You should not waste time. Please remember, I always think only one thought always. What is that? I am sent to this world to mold a student's future. I give my 100% every time. But from your side, are you giving that 100%? Yes, this 2020 and 2021, because of the pandemic, almost 1.5 years, you are there in the house. That means it's a platform where you can score good marks in CBSE. There are 100% chances of scoring good marks in JEE if you're attempting, 100% of scoring good marks in NEET. How? Simple. Your parents have bought you everything. Your teachers or the educators are giving you education. Only thing you have to do is utilize the time. time, T-I-M-E, the most precious word, students. I can buy everything, I can't buy time. I can buy everything, I can't buy love and affection. I can buy everything. If I want a smartphone, yes, it is there. If I want a MacBook, yes, it is there. If I want a studio, yes, it is there. But can you buy time? It's highly impossible. We have crossed those stages and we have reached here. You know how students, even I was a student. Even I used to waste time. But there is one point where realization comes. If you know that value of T-I-M-E, put it in brackets. T-I-M-E, time, will never come back. So I wanted to share a message with you all. It's me and my daughter who has enacted in this particular skit. We wanted to tell you only one message. You are the best if you utilize the time. Never waste time. Please don't wait. Somebody will come and cancel the exams. You have to complete your 12th. You have to write your NEET or JEE exam. Finally, you have to prove yourself, correct? Maybe 2-3 months late, but don't relax, students. I'm uploading videos on daily basis almost. I'm coming live on daily basis so that I want to use that time of mine and give it in your hands. What should you do? You need to utilize that. So I think this skit really help you out. You're always the best. Once again, I'm reminding students, utilize that word T-I-M-E, time. It will never come back. All the best, students. Start working hard from today. Signing off, Vani ma'am here. Take care. Stay safe at home. WOC is always there for you. Thank you so much.